Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel Vinay and Isha. Today, we are taking you along to watch a 2-year-old toddler what a typical day looks like. So, through our videos, we try to show what a teamwork in parenting looks like and supporting each other in every which way. That's what we totally believe in. And hopefully, you watch the video till end, and we would love to share our beautiful moments with you. Good morning, Winnie baby.
I love you, Winnie.
Love you, Vinisha.
I love you, Winnie. First, Winnie, what we are doing is potty training. Here, you have to do potty, okay? Just sit, try, try putting a bit of pressure over here. Yes, perfect. Good. Good. Front, sides. Winnie, give it. Front, sides. Super. Very good. Jaggery, chia seeds. Now see, Winnie. Ching, ching, ching. Mix. Oh, yes. You want to start? Fun. Good. Oh, that's my daughter doing it. That's it's on low plane. And the best part, so again, if you're trying this, always see to it that precaution. Over here, you need to hold her tight. You need to hold this with your right hand, the vessel. And then if she's turning it, you have to see to it that you're under control and the gas is on low flame. If by any chance, if you're wanting to give it a try, otherwise don't. Yeah, I'm kind of like used to it and she's also used to it. Father, what hold it? No, I think she will end up drinking it. That's my fear. Full. Done. Done. So here we have flax seeds and chia seeds over here. So we are going to put this in. Vinny, the ulla podu. Perfect. So good. Innam nalla mix it well. நல்லா இருக்கா? Enjoy, literally. She's enjoying it so much. Especially this is another thing, so we are not that fussy, because of course she's still a toddler. So it might end up getting like a bit messy over here, to be really frank, and that's perfectly fine because that's the way babies enjoy their food. You might have everything all over around their mouth, on their t-shirts. Sometimes it might happen. I guess that's the best part. In fact, we have forgotten, to be really frank, because once we grow up, of course etiquettes and everything comes into play, which is very important. But then the fact that I miss this face whenever I see her being this toddler and just eating, wherein no one is going to judge her. You can see it in her face, because when she likes something, when she enjoys it, you can see her doing this, those raw expressions. Look at this. Now she's saying it's fall now. Can you see this? She's just told me. So now I'm like going to pick it up. When you open your mouth, oh, so nice. நல்லா இருக்கு வினி. Give me. Hey, chocolate. Oh, blueberry oats, everything. The melons சாப்பிடு கொஞ்சம். Try these melons over here once, Vinny. வேண்டாம். Okay. Choco fry பண்ணு. It's ragi, millet, and jaggery based, by the way. It's not the typical white sugar and chocolate. So that's where it's a bit different. And yeah, it does have cocoa, but mainly ragi millet over here. Yes, hunger. Good. Here, thighs, your quadriceps, your thighs, your shin. This reminds me of when you were a newborn and I used to swaddle you every day. So cute. Ting, 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 ting.
Apple. Apple. Where's the apple? Where's ball? Where is
Vinny, inge paru. Vinny, appa ku paru. Mama kum podana.
Mama.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
हरता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची दुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर सिंदुराची कंठी झके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती ओ श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन कामना पूर्ती जय
ఇంకా విని ఇప్పుడు టచ్ పండు వచ్చుకో టచ్ పండు వచ్చుకో ఇప్పుడు ఇదే టచ్ పండు ఇదేం టచ్ పండు ఇప్పుడు ఇంకే భగవాన్ టచ్ పండు ఇంకేం టచ్ పండు ఇంకేం టచ్ పండు ఇప్పుడు నమస్కారం పండు ఇన్న మోర్ టైం ఫైనల్ నమస్కారం శరియా పండు
आटा लावा
Isha, as usual, you have started with your everyday training.
Yes. Actually, this is the best part, these are memories. It's just, I enjoy doing it so much. Vinny, here, na bacha? Here, yeah. Vinny said making roti. Wow! Vinny said making roti. Chapati बनवते Vinny. आपल्याला बोल काय बनवते?
Chapati panaren.
Chapati paneer. The rule is simple in the house. Whoever creates the mess, they have to clean it. Okay? And now you have created the mess, so you have to clean it. Please? Let's do it. Enough?
Done.
How to stop her, I don't know. Because she loves cleaning.
Where is apple?
Apple.
Where is ball?
Ball.
Where is elephant?
Elephant.
Okay, where is dog?
Dog.
Where is frog?
Dog.
Where is cat?
Cat.
Perfect. 6 out of 6. Excellent video you got. Grapes?
Kid.
Grapes?
Cat.
Oh,
Horse.
horse? Oh. Ice cream?
Turtle.
Ice cream.
Turtle.
Joker?
Turtle.
Lion?
Horse.
Horse. Yes, correct.
Apple.
No, not apple. Mango.
Mango.
Queen.
Blue.
Orange.
Orange.
Parrot.
Violet.
Rabbit. Nest.
Yes.
Nest.
Yes.
Nest.
Yes.
Just
Mama.
not mama. Stop.
Oh my god!
That's
Seriously?
not mama. Joker. This should go on.
No! You don't want to eat food, I think. No lunch for you both. No lunch for you both. Enough for today.
That's it. Perfect. 100 out of 100. That's it. That's
No lunch for you both.
Yes, good. No? Vinny? சாப்பிடு வினி நல்லா இருக்கு வாவ் ஐ லவ் யூ
Nalaika means she liked it very much.
எஸ் எஸ் ஸ்பூனால் எடுத்துக்கோ ஓப்பன் யோர் மவுத் வாவ் சாப்பிடு வினி குட்டி வாவ் மம்மா has made such tasty food yes மம்மா சாப்பிடு நல்லா இருக்கு இல்லையா டேஸ்டி இல்லையா ரொம்ப yummy yummy in your tummy yummy yummy in your tummy look at her no Vinny no talking much.
As we wrap up today's vlog, we just want to say balancing careers and parenting isn't always easy, but it's something we truly believe in and commit to every single day. For us, equal parenting isn't just an idea, it's the way we live. Sharing the responsibility, the fun, and the little adventures with our daughter, whether it's taking her to the playground after a long work day or simply being present, we believe these small moments build a strong family bond. Thank you for spending this day with us. We hope our journey inspires more couples to walk this path together. See you in the next one.